Ryan the Beast 29 here, and I have some stuff to unbox for you. So I'll start with the smaller package. Yeah, these are nice. CCM Crazy Light All-Star gloves from the NHL All-Star game this year. The same ones, I think it was Brian Campbell, but they're not his, but they're not the ones he wore, but yeah, CCM, silver on the cuff, looks good. Okay, next one. First thing I pulled out, Oakley Visor Black. It came with edge sock. And then some Apex skates. These are really light. Apex. They're used once, 9.5. I got them in a trade for some goalie, blocker, and catcher, because the guy plays goalie, and I didn't use them. So if you're wondering why I have player skates, this is why. Yeah, I'll try to do a review of some of my gloves that I just got a couple days ago, and I'll try to make a review on these skates. So yeah, there you go, YouTube. Rate, subscribe, comment. Go Kings, go.